All types of lighting can be moved effortlessly from one run to the next. Experience flexible overhead lighting and decor. Eliminate the hassle of accessing the structure above to add ambiance. Suspend busSTRUT instead for effortless functionality. With busSTRUT suspended above, easily enhance your commercial space's decor for seasonal or special events. You're now ready to power your decor by simply plugging into the busSTRUT Ready receptacle. busSTRUT's innovative flip fitter further increases our two-circuit track busway system's flexibility. Users can instantly alternate lights between circuits, ensuring separate control over the different types or zones of lighting. With busSTRUT, you can also mount and power essential technology like TV displays exactly where you need them.